it's Jamie with Loving All Seasons, and today we're going to attempt to decorate this big old tree. So, years past, little background, we've always gotten real trees. Probably for the last 12, 14, I don't know, as long as I can remember. And I've had artificial trees, but we've always put in the living room a real tree. This past summer, I purchased this tree for $40 at a yard sale. It's beautiful. I'm going to take you guys up close. It's pre-lit. I believe it's 9 feet tall. You can see it's somewhat hitting my ceiling. So I'm going to attempt to decorate this tree with you guys. We'll have some fun, play around. You can kind of see my process, which first of all, I am no professional decorator by no means. And I just do what feels right and what I like. And if I don't like it, I change it. So I feel like there's so much pressure when we decorate, whether it's right or wrong. Do what makes you feel good. Do what makes you happy and your family happy within your home. So the same goes to decorating your tree. So we're going to hop in there and we're going to get started. I do want to start so this is what I think I'm going to go with for ribbon. Not quite sure how we're going to do it yet, but these are what I'm looking for, the plaid. And it's a pajama party, so if you're at home watching this, get your cozy pajamas on, some hot chocolate, some coffee, whatever, pop. I know I love some good ice cold Pepsi, so get it and let's just sit back. Well, you guys can watch me do all the work. I just wanted to show you guys the tree kind of up close. See how it hits the ceiling. But this is like probably a $300 tree, and I got it, if not more, for $40. So guys, don't skip out on your yard sales. So, or Facebook Marketplace. So this is what we're starting with, a clean slate. And I may add a couple other lights on there, maybe a different color first, and then we'll do our ribbon. Let's see what we do. Okay guys, what I start doing is starting at the top. I take the two ribbons together, I start looping them down and around together, weaving them in and out, which I don't like. As you guys see, I'm going to stop and change it up. Okay guys, so I started out with trying to wrap the ribbon around the tree, as you could see. But then last year I had cut just pieces of the plaid. Like, let me show you. I had cut pieces of the plaid kind of like this and tied them on the tree. Because of it being a real tree, the whole trying to loop it wasn't working last year. So, okay, so this is what I've done so far. I've done these loops. Some I've just tucked into the tree, and I just took the two. And honestly, I know some people do all theirs the same, but I didn't want it. I wanted it to look kind of whimsical. Okay, this is what I've done so far. So I've kind of tucked them. Yeah, you can see some spots where I've tied them to the tree with the branch. Some I just tucked into place. And I threw my topper up there. I gotta kind of fix it. Obviously, it's not at the very top of the tree. But believe me, when this all comes together, like I said, the decorate with me is a hot mess the way I go about. But the end result ends up being beautiful. So I'm going to show you kind of, once I get a little lower on the tree, how I've tucked these in. So where the black might be peeking out on the bottom on some of them, the black might be peeking out on the top, just random. So that's where we're at. All right, I'm going to show you how I put the two on there together. I'm sure you guys have seen this like 1,000 times, and maybe the way I do it isn't quite the right way, but it's the way that I've figured out. So what I will do is I take the two pieces. See, I had already had a bunch of pre-cut, so now we're just dealing with, and what I'm doing is having all the loops go kind of the same way. That way, it looks cohesive somewhat, but at the same time, it's kind of whimsical because it's not, the loops aren't the same, and I know some people like the loops the same, but I kind of like the fact that they're all different sizes. So what I did was, I'm just going to show you on this branch. I took one of the small branches and I tie it around, and then I fluff it how I want it. If I want the black on top or if I want the black on the bottom. And then I would take it in and loop it again. Like make a big loop and then take one of the pieces again and twist it around there. That's how I create the loop, just to show you. I'll come back and once I have all the loops done, we'll go over that. So what I did at the top of the tree, you can see I kind of hid the topper part with some berries. So I disguised it. And I'm going to just stick pops of berries throughout the tree, just in random places. Next, what I will do is actually go ahead and put some of the bigger ornaments on it. I have some green and red like that, and some really pretty different shapes in green, and then I will put all our favorite ornaments on the tree.
Alright guys, so I'm just showing you here some of my favorite ornaments. That first one I've had since I was a little kid. My mom used to put that on the tree every single year. You see me just putting each ornament right in the spot. I've already kind of gone through and put all the solid color ornaments. And I got the music, Christmas music going, and I'm dancing. And I'm moving and shaking. I was having a good time at this point because I was so happy to be done with the ribbon. The tree turned out just one.
Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I do think I'm going to get a couple more berries like those to just kind of stick out randomly through the tree. But I just love it. I absolutely love it. I think it turned out so good. And I'll be honest, I am one of those people, I do not decorate the back of my tree because it's always in the corner. But I do go halfway around, so it goes halfway. And I think it just turned out beautiful. Now, comment below. I have a tree skirt that I usually use, but I don't think it's going to really go this year. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Or should I get one of those tree collars for the bottom, or get a new tree skirt. I'll show you what I have. This is the one I have right now. See, I feel like the burlap doesn't really go. So I was thinking, or even find a blanket that would look really cool. Comment below, tell me what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this. This was my first time doing a decorate tree with me. I'm not gonna lie, this was extremely hard. So let me know. And I'm just gonna kind of show you guys around the tree, some of the ornaments, and let you enjoy some music. Of being with you, how can I chase the pain away for good? Well, this is calling me, all is not true. I bring some mistletoe with me. Christmas is waiting for you. It'll never start without you, never start without you. Christmas is all about you. I see everywhere around the fairies of December. You, I see everywhere around the fairies of December. You, can you feel the joy when Santa Claus comes to town? Santa Claus has come to town. Have you wrote your list to hit up for good? Hurry down the chimney tonight. I wait impatiently for you, my Santa baby. I really do believe in you. Christmas is waiting for you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm not gonna lie, like I said, this was a little difficult. So the ladies that do all the decorate with me all the time, you guys are amazing. Amazing. So make sure you guys, if you're not subscribed and you just came along and to check out my channel, make sure you hit that bell. Give me the big thumbs up. Stick around. I have a Ray Dunn coffee bar coming up, which will be a lot of fun. I love doing that. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the mantle because it might be like my wow factor when I do the home tour. So I was thinking I have another area that I'm going to do like jingle bells with some of my Ray Dunn pieces. So if you like that, that'll be really cool to stick around for. Comment below, what are you guys going with? Plaid, white and blue, red and green, neutral. What's your color theme? Shout it out. Let us all know. Give us ideas. So I will see you guys next time. Make sure you be kind to one another. Love one another. And I'll see you next time.